Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Leo Chen of Levitate Style, back again with another sneakers and style video. Alright, 2021, we're back into the swing of things, and Jordan brand started off with this Jordan 1. I was lucky enough to pick these up off the sneakers app, got that W in my size 11. First impression on the Jordan 1 Volt Gold here, there's a lot of things I really like, but there's a few things that I don't like overall. So let's get into the details on the sneakers. Start off from the front here, you have the black leather toe box area, and it's a pretty nice like black leather material. They have this extra leather material on the laces part here. Right away, I really love this extra detail of this leather piece. Going up to the top, it comes with the sail laces. So I have these laced up in the sail shoelaces color. It also comes with a pair of black laces, and that's what I have on this pair. So I like to do this, put it on two different color laces to let you guys know which one you guys like better. And then for the tongue, they went with a sail color on the tongue here, and I love that color choice. Another feature on the tongue here is that they went with an exposed foam. And another extra special detail now is that number one, for the usual Nike Air tab, they actually flipped it reverse. So usually you have Nike Air, which is showing on the back here, that they made this tab into this plastic material. So usually this is like a extra fabric that they stitch on top. I don't really love this detail here. I think this like plastic vibe kind of throws off the sneaker. The lining, they went with a black color to match with the rest of the sneaker. Going to the side of the sneaker, they went with the white leather material with the black swoosh, matching with the Jordan 1 color blocking in the front. And then going to the back, we have the two main feature colors in the back. We have the Volt color at the top here, and it comes with the Air Jordan wing logo embossed into this material. Another Jordan 1 that has this feature here with this flapping out. This top part, this white material back here is the different material from the white leather. So this actually feels like a recycled foam kind of feel and look to it. It has a bit of a shine on this white part, and it's definitely an interesting texture when you feel it. And then on the bottom, they finished this off with the University Gold, and this gold color is very similar to the Lakers gold color. Going to the bottom in the midsole, they use a sail color, which is great. It matches really well with the tongue and the laces. Definitely has that vintage old school vibe. And then on the bottom, they finished off with the black color. So that was the quick overview on all the details on this pair of Jordan 1 here. Again, I love the vintage retro part of the sneaker. I love the University Gold colorway, and I love these extra details that kind of makes me feel like I'm buying like a budget off-white Jordan 1. What I don't love is those modern take on the Volt color and also this plastic part. I think with those simple changes, I would have loved these sneakers way more. I'm gonna show you guys 3 easy and sharp ways to style these Jordan 1s here. I'm gonna show you guys menswear inspired looks, outfits that like LeBron and like NBA athletes like to pull off, that like high-low, high fashion outfits. For number 1, I'm going with a Camel Topcoat. A top coat I've mentioned so many times on this channel when it comes to sneakers and style video. This is probably one of the easiest menswear items that you can wear to match with the Jordan 1. I think they just look really great together in this like dressed down sharp look. You see this kind of look all the time when it comes to like NBA stars and also celebrities. They love to style it with a top coat. If you guys are looking for more winter outerwear options, I did a video recently on that. Top 5 essential winter jackets that you need. So definitely go check it out. The camel color to me is a no-brainer. The camel color is in that same like color family with the University Gold, and also really nice to go with the beige color on the laces, the tongue, and also the outsole. And we're gonna layer this with my Levitate collection hoodie here. This hoodie here is from my first drop with Levitate collection, and I love this clean detail with the embroidery here. My logo Levitate in white and also in the gold color Levitate in the script. So right away, even though you're wearing this with a hoodie, you can still see the logo in the middle. You know, those are the details that I like with the hoodie. And of course, that matches perfectly with the gold on the sneaker as well. Black and brown Camel Topcoat combo is one of my favorites. Like, I wear this kind of look all the time, especially on the weekends. And I wear this, you know, going to go get groceries, going to get coffee. And depending on the occasion, you can dress this up with a pair of dress pants or jeans. Or on the weekend, I like to just wear sweatpants to go with this whole look. For the bottom, I'm going with a pair of black jeans. These are my favorites from Express. I just love how they look and feel. And you can get them around like $50, which is a great deal for a pair of jeans. And just keep it nice and clean. Black jeans, black hoodie with the top coat, and you got the sneaker at the bottom to kind of pull this whole look together, and it's gonna work really well. Outfit number 2, I have a Shearling trucker jacket. This jacket here I got from Polo Ralph Lauren, and this is a size medium. So this jacket here I really love for the winter season because number 1, it is nice and warm with the Shearling detail with this extra layer. And also on the outside, it's a nice like lighter brown color, and it just goes with a lot of things. This trucker style, anybody can wear this. It's that casual like denim jacket look, but in this more winter ready material. I wanted to match this piece with the sneaker because I really like the Shearling detail on the jacket. That matches really well with the sail color and the outsole. So that's one way to match the sneaker. This is one way to complement the sneaker, not like super matchy. So we're gonna complement the sneaker with the Shearling color and the brown, and it goes really well together. For the bottom of these jeans, I wanted to have a little bit more fun. So these are a pair of color block jeans from Levi's. And of course, I like these because it has like so many different kinds of like brown colors on the jeans here. So on one side, it's actually gray. On this side, it's like a sail color. And then on the back here, it's like a different kind of brown. So 3 different colors, nice color blocking, and it's definitely interesting to stand out with the sneaker at the bottom. I think with the jacket and also these jeans, it definitely gives a very retro, vintage, like menswear look, that like ruggedness to the look here. Something a little bit different, you know, something to try out. You don't always have to do the top coat look. You don't always have to do a casual like hoodie look. This definitely has that like rugged men's fashion workwear look with that like trucker jacket and also these Levi's jeans. So kind of having fun going with the retro vibe with the sneaker that I mentioned earlier. Outfit number 3, I'm going with this half zip pullover jacket. So this jacket here is also from my Levitate collection, and this is one that we dropped last season in the fall, and I love this university gold color. You just don't see this everywhere, and of course this matches perfectly with this gold on the Jordan 1 here. A nice like matchy way to do these sneakers here. And I love this half zip look, definitely like similar to like the Fear of God Essentials line that they've been coming out with jackets like this. And I love this because we made this with Champion, so we know it is a good brand and it's good material. And I love this like light material because you can pack this on your trips, on your travel, and it won't weigh much. And also this is great as we go towards the spring season, you know, the temperature starts to change. This is one of those like light layers that you can wear with a lot of things. This, just to keep it casual, I like to wear this kind of half zip all the way down, and it just gives off this like really casual vibe. And like I said, the color matches really well with the sneaker. And also in the logo embroidery here, we have white and black matching perfectly with the sneakers. At the bottom, I'm going with a pair of these black joggers. These are my favorite from Express. These are probably one of the most asked item on my Instagram. Whenever I wear these, I always get comments and DMs, and these have been my favorite for almost a year now. From Express here, these are the cargo joggers. So I love that it fits really well, really nice taper. And I like joggers like this that has this taper on the bottom because then it fits perfectly around the sneaker and let the sneaker pop on its own. And another big extra detail on this is the cargo pocket. So I think most joggers are just very plain and casual. This little extra detail with the cargo pocket just kind of takes it to the next level and does look a lot sharper. All right, there you have it guys, another sneakers and style video for you guys here with the Jordan 1 Volt Gold. Let me know in the comments which one of these outfits is your favorite. Also, what are your thoughts on the sneaker? What parts of the sneaker do you like? Are you guys going to pick one up for yourself? Again, guys, follow me on Instagram at Levitate Style. I post daily men's fashion and travel content there, so follow along. Always posting new outfit ideas for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. Thank you guys for watching.